Then spit and apply it to your small bird until evenly distributed. Let stand for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water.